Good morning, magical weirdos. According to vidIQ, 68,000 of you want to know how to download a TikTok video without a watermark, and I'm going to show you how to do it in less than a minute. So first, I'm going to go to a little app called SnapTik, and then I'm going to go to my TikTok video that I just created this morning about the eclipse season. And then I'm going to paste the link to that here, click download. I'm going to download it. I'm going to hopefully not get spammed. There we go. Just click through the pop-ups. Then I'm going to go to my old buddy Metricool. And I'm going to go to my main account. Since well, that's what I'm already doing today, but I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow. I'm going to take my TikTok, tiki-talkie, pop it here into Metricool. And then as you can see, it is now going to go and become a YouTube short. It's going to go on Pinterest. It's not going to go on LinkedIn because it's not appropriate for that one. It's going to be a Facebook reel. And an Instagram. No, it's not going to be. Yes, it is going to be an Instagram reel because it's already on TikTok. And it's going to go on Twitter. So bing bong, there you have it. That is how I download a TikTok without a watermark using SnapTik. And then I upload it to all of my other platforms using Metricool. If you ever have questions about how to save time with social media or repurpose your content, I'm your guy. Thanks for watching. This is Magical Weirdo Chuck. I love you. Have a great day.